Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a famous reaction, Dawes process. Okay, Dawes process. Okay, Dawes process. Okay. तो chlorobenzene with NaOH fused with NaOH. Okay, and 350 degree Celsius temperature is taken and 320 atm pressure. Okay, and the phenol is obtained as a product. Okay, so let's see how the mechanism works. Okay, and how we can prepare phenol from chlorobenzene via mechanism. Okay, let's see. Okay, mechanism. Okay, so first of all, okay, this is chlorobenzene and NaOH. Okay, OH minus abstract hydrogen from ortho position. Okay, then minus of H2O release. Okay, then double bond this negative and Cl and this double bond and this double bond. Okay, this negative charge eliminate this Cl. Okay, and benzene intermediate. Okay, benzene intermediate obtained in this reaction. Okay, then this is the first step. Okay, second step again NaOH means OH minus attack at this site. So this minus this and this obtained as a product. Okay, and OH is here. Okay, attack OH is here, and finally this proton transfer and H hydrogen is shifted from this to this. Okay, okay, this is the actual mechanism. This is phenol. Okay, okay, so this is the sodium phenoxide. Okay, sodium phenoxide, and again in presence of HCl. Okay, in the presence of HCl, so phenol obtained as a product. Okay, phenol obtained as a product. O minus abstract this H plus and Cl minus means minus of NaCl released from this reaction. Okay, first of all, chlorobenzene is treated with fused with NaOH and temperature 350 and pressure is 320 atm. In the presence of last step is acidification. Okay, last step is acidification. Okay, and OH minus abstract this ortho position hydrogen. Okay, and negative charge element Cl minus of Cl minus released from this reaction, and again OH minus, and this is benzene. Okay, don't forget this is benzene intermediate. Okay, benzene OH minus attack in this side, and minus means 1 pi bond shifted from this carbon to this carbon, and again OH minus attack. Again OH minus attack at that side and minus 1 pi bond shifted from this carbon to this carbon, and finally sodium phenoxide obtained, and last step is acidification. Okay, so chlorobenzene to phenol, this is the reaction name is Dawes process. Okay, I hope concept is clear. Okay, so okay, bye bye, take care.